Hi, I'm Jill Stenerson, and I wanted to talk today about our group offerings around sex addiction at the Trauma and Relationship Clinic, and a little bit about what our focus is as you are looking around for the best support and help for you and or your partner. So there's lots of excellent resources out there, internationally, nationally, locally, working with sex addiction, porn addiction, and betrayal trauma. What we're focused on a little bit differently at the Trauma and Relationship Clinic is on the impact of the relationship. So our first year of groups is going to be very standardly for sex addiction for people who are very new to the topic, new to recovery. And we will be using Dr. Patrick Carnes' task model to break through denial, establish sobriety, understand addiction, and begin to start living a life without these addictive behaviors. It's very much early recovery work focused on changing behavior and understanding. Our second tier is really where we're looking to sort of move into our focus point, which is the relationship. And that group is going to be focused on what has been the impact on those around. You're starting a recovery plan, you're working it, you're having some success, you're building some time away from your addiction. We're going to really move into what has this done to those around you, and what have you done as a result of that, of the shame, of the lying. And so working on empathy building, on patience, on understanding the emotions of your partners, of your family members, of the pain and the betrayal they're feeling, and how to help them heal, frankly, how to be safe for them, how to be a person who can hear their anger, hear their frustration, and how to set your own boundaries. Additionally, we'll be running a parallel group for partners, which will be certainly focusing on understanding what life has been, what this path you've been on has looked like, but moving pretty quickly into doing your own work as a partner on how you're showing up. If you've been in an active relationship with someone who has had addiction going on parallel, you have also begun to orient around that. And so you're not living how you want to. You may be dealing with a ton of anxiety, complex PTSD, exhaustion, depression, anger, irritation, harshness. We're going to be really focusing on those things and cleaning those out and building some confidence that you can kind of step back into your own core values and operating out of that place, so that if and when these behaviors show up again in your partner, you're going to know how to respond in a different way and feel much more confident about setting your own boundaries instead of living out of fear. So a little bit, I think, a lot of programs offer work on this. I think I would just say this is our heavier focus, is going to be impact on the relationship and helping both parties really move into healthier behaviors. One, in understanding the impact they've had and really leaning into that. And on the partner understanding, hey, I'm not now showing up in a way that I want to, and I want to take control of that piece. So if you're interested in working with us, it's not a support group. It's very much, we will have curriculum, homework, skills. So there is certainly support and process in the group, but we are looking to move you through and towards goals. If you're interested in working with us, please reach out. Our contact information is on the website. I look forward to seeing you this fall.